It can help tighten and lift your skin. It can minimize common skin problems such as acne, scars, fine lines, photo-aging, dull skin, poor texture, stretch marks, and body scars. Basically, anything you got that you don't like, it can eliminate it.
It is pretty amazing. It is.
Kelly Ivy-Subak, you joined us this morning. You're a patient consultant at La Dermique in Feeding Hills. This is a procedure that you said is going to sweep the nation. Anything that you have that drives you nuts is able to be gone.
Pretty much. It's huge in Europe, and it's just now getting to this country, and it is amazing what is capable of being treated. I've been doing this for 17 years now. There is no laser, no chemical peel, no treatment available currently that can do what this microneedling can do.
Now, if someone has a burn scar or a stretch mark from pregnancy, or you got stitches and you have a scar on your face, or whatever it may be, this procedure, it can actually make it almost not even exist anymore.
It is making your body heal itself in a new way. So you break up that tissue with this microneedle, and your body heals the way we want it to heal, opposed to the way it did with the incident.
So now that's when it comes to any kind of scar or anything like that, but it also can just give you a more youthful, healthy appearance.
And that's how it was originally designed for, was anti-aging. I know that Angelina Jolie is a huge proponent of this. She says that that's what she got Brad Pitt to do for his acne scarring. So she's a big fan of it. And it is just amazing for everything: anti-aging, scars, stretch marks, and it is a series of treatments because we have to have your body respond to the procedure, but it's pretty amazing.
All right, so now I'm sure you're anxious to see how this works, to hear all about it. So we did go to La Dermique last week to learn about it and see it actually in action. Just want to let people know there is a little bit of blood, but not much.
Not much. It's literally a pinpoint bleeding, which is a good thing. It is putting your platelet-rich plasma back into the skin, which is what we massage into after the procedure. Kind of akin to the vampire facial.
Right, so you will see a little bit of that in the video, but not much at all. Just want to make sure that we let you know.
Yes, so there's no fear.
Thank you, Kelly. Thank you for being
so
here.
much.
Now take a look at what we learned when we visited last week.
So it is actually kind of old technology manufactured in a new way. It really derives from acupuncture, thinking of putting one needle in to get the body to react a certain way. Well, with the needle or the pen, we're doing it with 36 of those needles, very quickly entered into the epidermis to the dermis to cause a controlled wound to the tissue to get a rejuvenation effect. So unlike Botox or filler, which are a Band-Aid and will give you a temporary quick fix, we are getting the body to act young again through a controlled wound and getting rejuvenation in that way. It's about an hour long that you're going to come in, and we are going to apply a topical numbing agent so that the patient really feels nothing but a light vibration. Once the topical numbing agent is removed, then the procedure is actually very quick. The needles move very fast at a very quick RPM. It's 2 passes over the entire face and neck. You will have a moment of pinpoint bleeding, which is a good thing, because that releases a lot of platelet-rich plasma that we rub back into the skin. Put on a sunscreen, and off you go. After the procedure that day, you're going to feel like you have like a light sunburn, but the next day you wake up, you're pretty much back to normal. You can use a gentle moisturizer and your regular makeup and go back to work. So for the full face, you're looking at 3 procedures for good regeneration, and they're going to be done about 4 weeks apart from each other. If we're talking about on the body for laxity, stretch marks, scar revision, we're more like 4 or 5 procedures. And that depends on the degree of the injury to the skin. So for your face, it's pretty much an all-inclusive wow effect. Fine lines and wrinkles, even the deeper wrinkles, nasolabial folds, jowling effect, even discoloration to the skin, you're going to see an improvement in. You're really getting your body to act younger and being able to heal itself the way it used to when we were in our young 20s. It's really best for anybody, all ages, all skin types. It's one of the few procedures that African American, Hispanic, and Asian individuals can have. When we talk about chemical peels or laser, they are not appropriate for those procedures. So if they have these conditions, there's not a whole lot in our industry that we've been able to do anything for them. This opens up a whole new field for us. So after all 3 procedures are done, you're going to probably wait a good 3 months till you're going to see your final wow effect. And then at that point, you're really keeping up with it with your home care, making sure that you're cleansing, using a good moisturizer, and staying out of the sun, using a sunscreen. Staying out of the sun is the key to overall youthfulness in the skin. And then if you go a year or two and you feel like, you know what, I'm not as soft and supple as I was, you can come in for one treatment to kind of bring you back to that point. We've had a couple of open houses where people could come in, see the procedure done, see the immediate rejuvenation that people see, and then showing them the befores and afters. It's been really exciting for us. We're putting a package together for patients so that it makes it a little bit more economical for them. They can have 3 of the procedures with the home care at a really, really great price. So we recommend that they give us a call for a complimentary consultation. We can go into detail about their specific needs, but get it at a really great price. They can go to www.ladermique.com, or they can call us at 413-786-3376. They can also go to Collagen P.I.N.com.